Hey friends, so I got some exciting news today. Remember this gorgeous garland that we learned how to make together? It is still one of my favorite creations to date. I love the navy, the chocolate, the champagne, all that mixed metals, brightened up by that beautiful eucalyptus and silver dollar leaf in there. So our lovely friends over at Shop Wild Things were cool enough to send me some elements to take this to the next level. They sent me some stunning champagne beaded curtains along with their pipe and base kit. And so we're going to take this to the next level and turn it into a gorgeous backdrop. So let's get into it. So we're starting with the pipe and base kit. This went up so easy, and I'm so lucky to be working with the Shop Wild Things setup. Now I happen to have brown curtains on hand, but I'll link to some options for you guys down below. If you are building your garland specifically on your kit, then you can hang the curtains, the beaded curtains here in the front, and then just make sure your garland will cover the tops. However, since my garland was pre-built, I hung the beaded curtains in reverse on the back and then just flipped them over the top. So maybe not ideal for outside, but an indoor setting is perfectly fine. You can see the tops, the S hooks up there. Now, I liked to have my beaded curtains just hanging so you can see all their sparkling, dazzling looks. But if you want to cinch yours for that hourglass look, you go ahead and do that. I just like them in their full glory so they can sparkle and shine. Now, going back to our garland, if you did the garland the same way I did with the plastic chicken mesh, you know that there's piles of these little hook spots, essentially like the little holes in the netting. And you just take the S hooks and you pop them right on the top, and I promise it hangs up super easy. And I got help to do it, but you could easily do it yourself with one person. I think this garland translated so beautifully to this backdrop. I am just speechless, which is weird for me, I know, but I love it. It looks absolutely dazzling, and the beaded curtains add just the perfect texture transition between that over-the-top garland and then the chocolate curtains underneath it. Because without the beaded curtains, it would look nice, don't get me wrong, but the curtains definitely add that texture and dimension that help transition from crazy over the top to a little bit more gentle. And I love that. And they're going to sparkle and shine in the day and at night, which is what we really want, isn't it? It's certainly what I want. All right, friends, thank you so much for checking out how we took that garland and turned it into this beautiful backdrop. Now, like I said earlier, you want to have a photo moment that's Instagram worthy. This is going to make that photo pop. You want to get married in front of it. This is gorgeous and easy to do. You're having a holiday party and you just want a beautiful backdrop for your candy display and maybe a chocolate fountain. This is going to look stunning as your buffet backdrop. I hope this has inspired you to try making some backdrops for whatever you're celebrating. I've linked everything I use down below. Stay tuned for more great holiday content coming up soon.